naman natutuwa ako sa ating mga courtside reporter as we take a look at our TV schedule. Kanya-kanya expertise. Meron yung Kenkoy, meron yung mga report, mga little things na hindi mo alam. Ito si Reyna Villamor, a little of everything. Reyna?
Thank you, Seth, for that one. Now, even though the Lady Falcons have already won one game here in the quarterfinals, Coach Jimenez has still reminded them that they are coming in today's game back to zero for the reason that he wanted to see the girls not playing too lax and, of course, not to underrate the capabilities of the Lady Stags. As for Coach Shed, there is still a need to improve for them when it comes to blocking and service receive. Now, take a look at the players right now. We have 3 players missing in action for the Lady Falcons. We have Amanda Villanueva, who's experiencing an abdominal muscle spasm that involves the deepest layer of the muscle responsible for twisting the trunk. Eric Altino and Marinel Rubio, who are presently busy with their school's OJT. And with 13 players on the floor, Coach She is expecting that they will materialize in today's action. Back to you guys.
Kung nadidinig ko yung mga ganong report na Reyna, gusto ko
Reyna lang yan.
Kaya gusto ko pumunta ng drugstore.
Oo, only
Diba?
Reyna could explain
Gusto
it
ko
that
magpunta ng
way.
drugstore at bilhin yung gamot na nire-recommend ni Reyna.
Talaga.
Kanya-kanya yan eh. Sabi nga sa'yo,
Scientifically spoken.
two Sundays ago nga, yung tatuin nga, hindi ko pa rin makakalimutan yung babaeng kumakain ng apoy. Maglalaro nga pala mamaya po yung babaeng kumakain ng apoy, si Mayta Jema po.
Well, so far, it's Adamson with 3 attack points and the Pacific having 5 in this set. Jeng Molit, 3 attacks na.
Maaga pa lang, and they have 3 of the 8 points of Buster so far. But look at Adamson, such an efficiency machine when their game is in sync and they're talking. And yan, even when Mami Dulce Pante was coaching them, that was a concern for her. She was worried if her team was not noisy on the floor, actually. Makatuno sets Benting. Barbano got to it. Here's Crisostomo set for Walidano.
It was a combination play coming from San Sebastian, but Adamson knew it was going to Jeng in the end. So it did. Kaya ready naman ang depensa nun. Although, may konti namang nahuli.
Yeah, nabasa eh, no? Most of the time kasi hindi papalos. Oh, just slipping the net there. And look at this. Adamson soars out of the gate, scoring 5 straight points. And Lynn Malaso has to talk to his team.
Nasa gitna, 2 beses hindi mo kinukuha yung ball. Isa, hindi mo kinuha. Yung isa, kinuha mo outside. Huwag ka na magkalangan. Kunin mo na, magdesisyon ka. Palagay mo lang outside. Kunin mo na lang, kaysa alangan, mag-aalangan ka. Walang puntos na sa alanganin na yun. Kunin mo, baka naisip natin, naipalo pa natin. Kaysa easy point na gano'n. Tulong-tulong tayo sa receive. Sige pa,
When Jen Wali was starting out, we were concerned about whether she got it or not, but she understands that perfectly. Look at this schedule. You want to be here when this happens. Ateneo against MU, Adamson against USD. What a great combination of games.
Very nice. Sunday for Shakey's V-League.
I am worried about Barry Pasco, our floor director. He will be smothered by Ian Laurel. The return of Ian Laurel on Sunday.
Mag-jacket yata si Barry ng araw na yung kahit mainit.
Life jacket na isuot mo ba? 12-9. Go ahead, please.
But now, 2 blocks. Yung napakatangkad na player ng Adamson. 2 blocks na, Malyari with 1.
Si Paachot. Crisostomo reverses to Roses. They deal it. And it is coming out of the timeout. 2 straight points by the Lady Stags. Make Casa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Clint Malaso's coaching hard. Has a good chance to win this ball game actually today. Ooh, mukhang regalo Makatuno adjusting the set. Benting. It's in the air.
Like this girl, I saw her in one of her games at doon pala nakita ko na mukhang potential itong batang to. That's why hinahanap ko nga siya nung una.
Yes.
Kaya lang may injury siya nung mga unang laro ng San Sebastian.
What are the common injuries in volleyball players? Arms, legs, what else?
Alam mo, ang volleyball kasi, sabi natin lahat, kahit na training all around, pag nag-volleyball player ka raw, lahat kasi ginagalaw mo lahat ginagamit mo, legs, arms, body, diba? Pwede pang heading
Yep.
diba? So, maraming pwedeng injury sa volleyball. Lalo na yung lateral movements mo rin, di ba?
And the practices are hard, huh? Practices are harder than the professional level. Doesn't mean that is not handled well by the reception line. It is 14-11. Bad all set to serve. They're ahead, 14-11.
You know, so far, partner, Roses and Soltones, 100%, 2 of 2 na dito sa set na ito.
That's good news for San Sebastian. Bali adjusting. Soltones makes that 3 of 3.
100% pa rin tong si Soltones. So it's a good combination in front for Coach Clint Malazo. You have
Napapalo, tama ka.
Soltones and itong si Roses making things happen for the Lady Stags.
Ganda ng load up niya.
Ang lakas pumalo. Tsaka maganda yung form. Except for that, talaga namang napakalakas na palo ni Angelo Benting.
Sabi niya, Iha, papunta ka pa lang, balik na.
Matagal ko nang ginagawa yan.
Yung ginagawa mo, ginagawa ko na yan. Marami na rin akong gupit na dinaanan. At, we love it when they change their hairstyles. Huh? Verbano. Benting wants more, but Soriano wanted the spice of it. Here we go, Wali. Pacatuno with a set. Nice combination by Adamson. Huli lang ng block. Soriano. Verbano, who used to set. Soltones stop. It's a point.
Violation called against Adamson. Angela Benting now with 3 attack points. Adamson having 7.
You know, this first set is going to be indicative of this game. It's so fiercely fought. Referee making sure that the floor is smooth and playable. Could be a wet spot there. And Axel, what do we want? I can say Axel, okay? I just don't want to say Axel for another thing, but I want to say that Axel is the official outfit of the Shakey's building. Hindi po Axel Barrio. Benting. Soltones, I just go.
This time challenging the blockers of Adamson and making it. Ano, minsan kasi, no? It amazes us na bago mo lang nakita tong player na to.
Alam mo na.
Tapos naglalaro ng ganyang level. Diba?
Parang siyang maliit na Joeng Wali, oh. Ako, mag-ate.
may
In the meantime, the defense of San Sebastian holds tied at 15. This is a good one. You out there watching, enjoy this. This is the quarterfinals. We're moving closer to that part of the season where we're going to crown. It could be an old champion or a new champion as Benting pummels that down. Galit yung alit. Napansin ko yung buhok eh. 16-15, it's the turn of Adamson to hit the